make a yummy and healthy naivedyam for the coming festivals. We call it Panchamrutham. Shall we start making the naivedyam? Come on! In most of the temples, Abhishekam for gods is done with Panchamrutham. Then it is offered to the devotees as prasadam. At home, we can offer this Panchamrutham as naivedyam to God on a festival day. Now, let's see what are the ingredients required to prepare the Panchamrutham. Pancha means 5. This Panchamrutham has 5 main ingredients. First one, cow milk. Second one, curd made of cow milk. Third one, honey and sugar. Fourth one, cow ghee. And finally the fifth one, any fruit. Here we took banana, apple, grapes and pomegranate. Now let's see the process. Take a large mixing bowl, put chopped bananas. Mash them with the help of a fork. Then add chopped apples, chopped grapes, curd, and mix it all together once. Add milk. Use raw milk as we don't use boiled or cooled milk to make Panchamrutham. Mix it well. Now add sugar according to your taste. We used 2 spoons of sugar. Now let's add 2 to 3 spoons of honey in the mixing bowl. Now let's add 1 spoon of cow ghee. Now all the ingredients are added to the Panchamrutham. Let's mix it well. After mixing, add pomegranate to the Panchamrutham. Actually, adding nuts to Panchamrutham is not needed and it is purely optional. But if you like to have a crunchy effect while having Panchamrutham, you can add some sliced nuts, cashew nuts, pistachios and raisins. Our tasty and healthy Panchamrutham is ready. It is ready to be offered to the God. It tasted really yummy with all the fruits and nuts. I hope you will prepare this Panchamrutham for this festival because it is so easy, healthy and tasty. It is very easy to make, right? Just mixing all the ingredients. No need of using the stove. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.